versus rust. This is Mr. Mark Beaumont. He really hates rust. So in 2010 he went to New Zealand, met a man with some sheep and came back with a lanolin product to slap on his boat. So his boat was protected and most of his gardening equipment. But under his car, well, that was a bit more complicated. So he spoke to a scientist and together they hatched a plan. But this was impossible. Just a rusty pipe dream, surely. Eureka! Lanoguard motor spray for underbodies. One simple, nimble sprayer to tackle the job. And the business has gone from this to this in 14 wonderful rust-free years. It's all in one box, no tools needed, and no spraying or prep skills required. There he goes, off to Lanoguard something else. Lanoguard, the complete underbody rust protection car kit, invented by him. Road tested by over 50,000 vehicle owners. In the battle of man versus rust, man wins.